Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here in Winchester working on an old antique, an old Victorian house, and it has got some beautiful floors that we've uncovered under years of just buildup of old wax and old finishes from years gone by. So as you can see, we've got a top-nailed 3/8 floor, which was indigenous towards the turn of the century up through the 20s. And here we've uncovered a border pattern here, which is absolutely exquisite here. If you can see here, it's got some maple, some walnut, some mahogany. It's really intricate there. And that was hidden underneath. We don't have a section that was, well, here we go. You can see how it didn't really show as much there. And what we're doing back here is we're recreating the border pattern that was here. There's been some problems here where she had some water damage, and you can see right here that we've got some missing pieces. So we're gonna make the pieces up, and we're gonna fit them into this border, and then sand and finish everything together. And we'll come back to that, and we'll see how good that comes out. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you've got some old antique floors that you think are a loss, we can save them. Give us a call at 781-395-3418, or better yet, go onto my website at duffyfloors.com, and there you can even ask for a consultation through my services tabs. We can go over all the processes and procedures that we use to restore antique floors. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors, signing off.